Hello and welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be the first of a series of videos on this radio I picked up at the British Vintage Wireless Society meet at Biggleswade, where I got a chance to meet Simon Spears, a young Colin, and the rest of the radio repair gang, Cody's, George Christophe and Andrew Alter. I did a bit on this Zenith Transoceanic, or Zenith, however you want to pronounce it. Didn't mean to bid on it, but you know, bidding room behind just kept on going up and I ended up with it. So I'm going to do a quick overview on it and hopefully I will get a chance to repair it. Not done a valve set before. I know a portable valve set, and when I said portable, we must be kidding because it weighs half a ton. Anyway, let's open up the front and see what we get. Let's pull you in a bit closer. So on the front we've got over here a dial light control, which feels a bit crunchy. Shut off the phones, that's your on and your volume. Over here we've got the tuning dial, which isn't connected because the dial cord broke and it's a pain in the arse to do all the windings. Underneath here we have controls for the volume to turn, so you've got treble, voice, alto and bass. Really think they should have been in that colour, but never mind. Over here we've got the band select switch. Let's just adjust my tripod and move it in further. So we've got the 31 metre band, and according to the dial it should be good for afternoon evening. 25 metre band, afternoon and evening. 19 and 16 in all day morning, weather marine and shortwave broadcast, and you've got the broadcast band there on the bottom, and I think that is in megahertz, is that? It can't be right because it's 160. Who's to say? We'll find out at some point. Over the top here you've got the wave magnet, and that comes out and you can stick it on your window. And for there we've got the antenna. I'm not pulling that up because it's a bit stiff. Up here we've got the logs on the chart, so brief operating instructions, Great Lakes, Pacific Coast, Atlantic Coast, river navigation, Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea area. That's going to be useless to me and anyone. And obviously times and frequencies and all that lovely stuff. Yeah, this is no good to me. And a shortwave station log. So let's try and flip it around because this does weigh a ton. Oh bloody hell! That is. Yeah, when they said this was portable, they must be having a bit of a laugh, a bit of a giggle. And yeah, one of the feet is missing, so it does rock a bit. Let's try and get this open without knocking the camera over. And you come. Oh, I knocked the camera over. Oh dear. Okay, on the bottom here we should have a logbook and instruction book. That's gone. There's one of the sucker things. And we have some valves. Look at them valves. And that note there that the previous owner put on pins 3 and 7 of 3V4 shorted. Short should be removed when new 3V4 is installed, so it's going to need a new valve. Over here we should have the cord winder. It goes out, actually then goes out there, and that's not there. Somebody has put these little crimp things in on these. Whoever invented these, I mean, look, it's just crap. There we have what would be the plug for the 90 volt battery, high tension, which should go under there, but we don't do 90 volt batteries anymore. I have seen people chain a bunch of 9 volts together, 10 of them, and that's going to be expensive, but I have to look into that. This can be run off mains and it needs a 2-pin plug delivering 110 volts, and that's a bit of a kick it and bodge it. Yeah. Andrew also has one of these, and he's got a mains transformer, so if you can get one of them, because we run on 240 volts in the UK ish, so you can get like a 240 to 110. But over here we have the plug for the wave magnet. If we can kind of push it up. Oh, there we go. And then they got the clips there for suction cups. Oh, God, look at all that mould there. Yeah, take it. You stick that on your window, and then attach that in there. So yeah, I've not done a valve radio. Well, I've got a valve radio. I've not repaired it. I've not repaired a valve radio before, and I've not done a portable valve radio. So things to do on this radio, well, case needs a bloody clean, but that's going to be the last thing I'm going to do. I'm going to try and get the chassis out, do a lot of testing, see what needs doing, try and find 110 volt supply or 90 volt off the battery. That's going to be fun, chaining 10 of them PP7s together, should be a laugh. And now, from what I've heard, this valve in the back, the 1L6 is it? That's quite expensive apparently, and if that's buggered, I'm stuffed. But yeah, put some proper wiring, because whoever invented these, I mean, why? It's just. Anyway, this is part 1 of God knows how many parts it's going to be on the Zenith Transoceanic from 1955. And there's nothing like throwing myself in the deep end, because this is all new territory to me. Yeah. I'm kind of hoping that it'll work. As soon as I get power up it, then it'll just be the case clean, but that won't be fun, will it? Anyway, that's it for this one. Until next time, I shall catch you very soon with hopefully a half working radio. Yeah, we can live in hope. Anyway, that's it. Bye for now, and catch you soon.